All right, here is Wednesday. We'll start with rhyme recognition. Fix my camera. Okay, I'll say it, you say it. Give me thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Hose, rose. They rhyme. New, who. Yep, those rhyme too. Fort, sort. 3 rhymes in a row. Home, car. No. No, yes. No. Okay, onset fluency. Day, dish. Duh. Wipe, warm. Wa. Gone, gate. G. Sock, size. S. Bed, bus. B. Good job. We'll blend our phonemes next. N, o, no. L, o, low. G, o, go. S, o, so. T, o, toe. Okay, good job. Medial sounds, that's the middle sound. K, ash. What sounds in the middle? Ah, good job. H, n. Eh. H, ip. I, cl, ok. Ah, s, ch. Okay, we're going to segment. Get your choppers out. I'll do it, then you do it. To, t, oo. Zoo, z, oo. Do, d, oo. Moo, m, oo. You, y, oo. Good job. Okay, we're going to add a phoneme, which is part of the word. We have O, add g at the beginning, and the word is g, o, go. We have I, add h at the beginning, and the word is high. We have a, add ul at the beginning, and the word is lay. We have oo, add y at the beginning, and the word is you. We have e, add s at the beginning, and the word is see. Good job. Now we're going to take away or delete phoneme. We have the word tie without t. What's left? I. We have the word mow without m. What's left? O. We have the word do without d. What's left? Oo. We have the word way without w. What's left? A. We have the word he without h. What's left? E. Good job. Seems like today's going fast. Okay, we're going to substitute our phoneme, take part away, and change it with a different one. We have the word lay, change ul to s. What do we have? A, say. We have the word say, change s to m. What's the word? May. We have the word may, change m to p. What word? Pay. We have the word pay, change p to what word? Way. Good job. Okay, I don't know if you remember this rhyme, this nursery rhyme. It's called Wee Willie Winkie. I'll say a line, you repeat after me. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs. In his nightgown. Tapping at the window. Crying at the lock. Are all the children in their beds? It's past 10 o'clock.